Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 5 subject science chapter 4 states of matter. Today I will begin with a new chapter, a new topic, effects of heating and cooling. Means what effects shown on heating and cooling of a substance or a matter. Heating causes expansion in the substance or in a matter, whereas cooling causes contraction, means reduction in the volume of the given substance. So let us begin with the paragraph. The molecules of a substance vibrate more on heating. Means when we heat the substance, the molecules of the substance starts vibrating at all. They need a little extra space for vibrating more. And vibration means the molecules try to move from their initial position to the other, and for their movement there is a need a little extra space. So we can say that the molecules need a little extra space for their vibration. This increases the volume of the substance, and molecules shift their positions and move from their original position to here and there. It means it increases their volume of the substance. So the volume is increase of the given substance. It depends upon the shifting position of the molecules, which is called vibration or of the molecules, and vibration is caused on heating the substance. Means while we heat the substance, the molecules goes on vibration, and this leads to the increase in the volume of the given substance. Means volume of the substance is increased due to the heating of the given substance, and this increase in volume is called expansion. Means expansion is caused due to the heating of the substance. The two different substances may show different amounts of expansion. If we talk about the expansion in iron or in copper material, if we heat both the material at the same temperature, but there is no results are same in the increasing of the volume of the both the substance iron and copper. It means the expansion of the substance is depend upon the nature of the substance. Iron has a different capacity or different property of expansion in their size, whereas copper has the different expansion property while heating the copper substance. So here mentioned that Two different substances may show different amounts of expansion when heated equally. If we heat the two substances at equal temperature, but there is no necessary that both the substances show same amount of expansion in their size. Solids expand very little because the force of attraction inside the solid molecules are very strong. Liquids expand more than the solid because there is a lot of space which are called intermolecular space are available in between the liquid molecules as compared to the solid molecules. And gases expand the most on heating, and the intermolecular space are available larger as compared to the solids and liquids. So the movement of the gaseous molecules are more as compared to the liquid and solid molecules. So on heating, the gaseous are expanded more and more. We use a mercury thermometer to measure our body temperature because mercury is a substance which shows expansion in their volume when we heat the substance, and the mercury in the thermometer expands due to the heating of our body, means the mercury which is filled inside the thermometer, it expands due to the heat of our body and it rises in the thin tube, and when it heated, its temperature is rise up, which is shown in the thin tube of the thermometer. We read the mark to which mercury has expanded as the body temperature, and we read the mark means mercury thermometer marked with some temperature range, and when this mercury thermometer puts in our mouth, the mercury substance level goes rising up and it reaches to a level of the scale, and it can be examined by the doctor or any person. On the other hand, when things are cooled, the molecules vibrate lesser and come closer to each other, and on cooling, molecules vibration becomes lesser and lesser and they come closer to each other, means the space between the molecules are become lesser. They need less space, and these things contract on cooling, means while cooling the substance, contraction takes place in between the molecules present in the given substance. Different things contract differentially on equal amount of cooling. As the temperature, if we heat a substance, the expansion in the two different things are not equal. In the same way, if we cool a substance or lowers the temperature of a substance, the contraction are also differentiable or different for the different things. Solids contract the least, liquids contract more than the solids, and gases contract the most on cooling. This is also on the basis of the eh, presence of intermolecular space between the molecules of different matters. Solid matters contains least in intermolecular space, so the contraction between the molecules are also lesser, and in the same way liquids contract more than the solid and gases contract the most on cooling. So in this topic we studied about the what effects are shown on heating or cooling a substance, and we leads to the conclusion that when we heat a substance, the molecules are present in the substance, they goes on vibration and they consequently increase their volume, and this will happen on heating the substance. So while heating the substance, they causes expansion in the volume of the substance, and on cooling the substance they causes contraction in the cooling the substance, and this will based on the vibration of the molecules of the given substance. Okay, thank you.